Today we'll start basic stitches. The first one is straight stitch. Okay. Before that we should cut the fabric. Take the cotton piece of fabric that is 7 inch by 7 inch or 8 inch by 8 inch. But you should take the square piece of cotton fabric. See, it's around 8 inches. Okay. 8.5 by 8.5 inches. First we should start straight stitch. For the straight stitch, first the distance is 0.25 inch gap one stitch. Lift your pressure foot and start stitching of 0.25. This is straight stitch. Again 0.25 gap, one more stitch. Like this entire fabric we should fill with the straight stitch. Next one is straight stitch with 0.5 inch gap. See 0.5 inch gap here. The difference is 0.5 inch gap. Next one is bias stitch. Okay, cross stitch or bias stitch. For this one, draw one straight line from this corner to this corner. Okay. Here for the bias, the fabric is more stretchable. That's why we need to stitch carefully. See exactly 0.25 gap, one more stitch. Stitch should come like this. Like this entire fabric we should finish it off with the bias stitch. Like this. Okay, complete fabric you should finish it up like this. Next one is lock stitch. For the lock stitch also same 0.25 inches gap, but we need to apply the back. Okay, see here this is the reverse stitch. Okay, reverse stitch option. Here we can use this one like this. See, okay, reverse. If you are pressing, automatically it will be going back. At the time of stitching only we should press. See, automatically it's taking locks. Okay, this is called lock stitch or reverse stitch. See, in between we should, if you are pressing, automatically it's taking locks. This is very important because at the time of stitch starting and ending, if you are not doing locks, what happened is the fabric is come out. Okay, two pieces we are attaching, right? That may be open. Without lock, the fabrics may open. That's why we need to use the lock stitch. Okay, see one more time I will show. In between, okay, at the time of stitching only, we should press the back stitch. Here the back button, if you are observing, this is the back button. Okay, if you are pressing automatically, it's taking back stitch or lock. See, like this you will be getting. Again same 0.25 gap. Entire fabric you need to practice with the back stitch. Complete fabric you should finish it off with the back stitch. Okay, next one is concentric square. See, start from here. Okay, you want to do any corner shape neck designs and all, this is very useful. Okay, at the time of corner, your needle should be inside the fabric. If you are observing, see here the needle is inside the fabric. Place your needle inside the fabric and lift your pressure foot and turn your fabric like this. Okay, then you will be getting perfect corners. Okay, again see, this is the corner. That's why needle should be inside the fabric. Lift your pressure foot and turn your fabric. Again this is corner. Needle should be inside the fabric. Lift your pressure foot and turn the fabric. Like this you need to practice entire fabric. Turn like this. Again start stitching. Turn your fabric again. Like this. Completely should finish it off entire fabric. Lift your pressure foot like this and finish it off. See, if you are stitching like this, you will be getting perfect corners. If you want to stitch your V necks or square necks, it will be very useful. Like this you have to finish the entire fabric. We should end your corner like this. Like this you have to stitch it and finish it up. How many squares you can do, you have to do it. Okay, done. The next stitch is concentric triangle. Okay, in this also we need to practice for the squares, corners. See, start from here, draw one triangle like this. Okay, same 0.25 inch gap, stitch it off. Start from here. Okay, this is corner point, right? For the corner, needle should be inside the fabric. Lift your pressure foot and turn. This is corner. Again, lift your pressure foot. Needle should be inside the fabric. Lift your pressure foot and turn. Okay, then again, needle should be inside the fabric. Lift your pressure foot and turn it. These stitches are very important. You need to practice. Okay, again, one more stitch. Again, lift your pressure foot and stitch it. If you are practice well in these stitches, next to whatever the garments you are stitching, that is very easy for you. These are all for the practice. Okay. I think here the bobbin is over. I will replace the bobbin. Again, same. Same turn. Complete fabric, you should finish it up like this. Turn. Again stitch. Done. Like this you have to finish it off. You need to finish the stitches like this. See last. Complete fabric you need to stitch like this. Okay, cut your thread. This is your concentric triangle. Next one is curve stitches. Okay, you have to draw the curve like this. Okay, you need to practice on this curve. These are very important curve stitches because for your round necks, okay, designer necks, these curves are very important. Okay, see, wherever the curve part is there, same like that. If it is turning side, lift your pressure foot, simply turn like this. Okay, exactly on the curve part. Turn like this and start stitching. Like this. Turn, stitch. Okay, exactly on the marking we need to stitch it. Just turn. Wherever the curve is there, exactly on the place we need to lift your pressure foot and turn it. At the time of lifting pressure foot, your needle should be inside the fabric. Okay, like this you need to stitch it. Like this you will get. Okay, next same 0.25 inches gap, one more curve. See how we are turning. Okay, lift your pressure foot. Again next curve. Same 0.25 space. See. Okay. Like this. Without lifting pressure foot, don't change your fabric direction. Okay. Only lift your pressure foot and change your fabric direction. Complete fabric you need to practice like this. Okay, complete fabric. Next one is circle practice. Okay, draw one circle on the fabric, start stitching. Okay, for the circle how to stitch I will show. See, start from one point. Okay, like this. Okay, wherever the turnings are there, we need to practice like this. See, complete round. Okay, see, wherever the marking is there, same on the marking we need to stitch it. Lift your pressure foot at the curve place. Okay, whenever we are turning, lift your pressure foot and turn the fabric. Then you will be getting perfect circle. Same 0.25 inch gap. You need to fill your concentric circle. Complete fabric we need to finish it off. See. Lift your pressure foot and stitch it completely. Exactly like this 0.5 inch gap, sorry 0.25 inch gap, we need to finish the entire concentric circle. For the practice, if you are facing any difficulty, try and try. Okay, starting some people will face like that only, but these circles, squares, whatever the basic stitches you are practicing, right, those are very important because of at the time of garment stitching and all, these are very useful. Okay, complete fabric, you need to finish it off. Okay, see, just one or two stitches like this, change your fabric. Like this you need to finish it off. Okay, lock it. This is your circular stitch. Okay, you need to practice like this.